Welcome back, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to can grape juice and also how I make grape concentrate. First, I'll de-stem the grapes and wash them really good. Get out any the bad grapes or the unripe grapes, and I'll run these through about three or four times until the water comes out clean. Next, you'll put in your jars 1 cup of grapes, and then you'll put a fourth to a half cup of sugar. Then you'll fill up your jar to a 1/2 inch of headspace. Then you'll stir it up, get it debubbled. You can also make it just a simple syrup to put in this. It's the same thing, really. Then wipe the rim of your jars. Put a lid and a ring on fingertip tight and put them in your canner. Then when your water comes up to a boil, you'll process for 20 minutes. If you're above 1,000 feet, 1,000 feet or below, you process for 15 minutes. And there they are. You'll want to let these set for at least a week. The longer you let them set, the better it'll be. To make a concentrated juice, I use my steam juicer. To use the steam juicer, you put your water in the bottom pan. Then the next pan here, the steam comes up through the tube and your juice falls back down into the reservoir there. You put your fruit or whatever you're juicing in the basket and the lid. Then your juice will come out of the hose here. Okay, I'm going to put the grapes in and turn it on. It usually takes about an hour. You let it boil. But you want to check the water about every 30 minutes to make sure it doesn't boil dry. Okay, here's your juice coming out of the tube. I have just a pitcher here to catch the juice. The best way to do it though is to get a stool or a chair and set your pitcher down on it because it gets very hot. And then to close it off, you just put your clamp on the hose. Here is the grapes after you steam them. I've got more grapes, so I'm going to put more in and just let that run through. But you don't want to mash your grapes or anything because it'll make your juice cloudy. Then you pour your hot juice into your jars to a 1/4 inch headspace. You don't have to, but I skim off the foam. Then wipe the rim of your jar, put on a lid, and ring to fingertip tight and put in your canner. Bring your water up to a boil, and my manual for my steam juicer says to process for 25 minutes. And there they are. Ain't they pretty? Hope you all have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. Come back and see us.